Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 22. You must have memorized the names assigned to 12 houses in Vedic Astrology. Sessions 20 and 21 have also explained in detail the logic behind assigning these specific names to 12 houses. As you are now familiar with the names assigned to different houses, this question may be arising in your mind: what is the exact location of these 12 houses in a birth chart? For example, which is the second house in birth chart? That is, which is the Dhan Bhav, showing monetary gains? Or which is the 10th house, house of profession, or Karm Bhav? To mark the 12 houses in a birth chart, two different methods are in practice in India. North Indian method and second is South Indian method. North Indian method to prepare and read a birth chart or horoscope. Draw a square diagram having 12 divisions as shown here. These 12 divisions represent 12 houses in a birth chart. As mentioned earlier, each house covers a space of 30 degrees. In North Indian format of birth chart, the division, the highlighted one, is always marked as first house or Pratham Bhav. We already know that first house also represents Lagna or ascendant. It is also referred as Tanu Bhav. It is a common practice to draw two parallel lines in the topmost corner of this house. This practice of drawing two parallel lines is followed so that one can easily notice the Lagna or ascendant in a birth chart. To mark the remaining houses, start moving in anti-clockwise direction and name the remaining divisions as second house, Dvitiya Bhav, third house, Tritiya Bhav, fourth house, Chaturth Bhav, fifth house, Pancham Bhav, and moving in this manner, 12th house, Dwadashesh Bhav. Observe this diagram closely and identify the location of each house. Always remember, in a North Indian birth chart, the locations of houses never change. Now we shall discuss one example to see how the 12 signs, that is 12 Rashis, are placed in different houses in a North Indian birth chart. If the ascendant of a person is Leo, that is Simha Rashi, which is Rashi number 5, fifth sign, then mention number 5 in the first house of the birth chart and remaining signs in the second house, third house, fourth house, etc., moving in ascending order. That is, sign number 6 in second house, sign number 7 in third house, sign number 8, that is Scorpio, in fourth house, sign number 9 in fifth house, and proceeding in this way, sign number 4, that is Cancer, in 12th house. So, in a North Indian birth chart, Lagna or ascendant is a special character. Identify ascendant and place it in first house. After this, proceed as directed in this example. Take one more example. If the ascendant or Lagna of a person is Pisces, that is Meen Rashi, which is sign number 12, then you have to mention 12 in the first house. After that, place the remaining Rashis in other houses, moving in ascending order. That is, Rashi number 1, Aries, in second house. Rashi number 2, Taurus, in third house. And proceeding in this way, Rashi number 11, Aquarius, in 12th house. To read a North Indian horoscope, please remember these points carefully. In a North Indian birth chart, the location of houses never change. The placement of 12 signs, that is 12 rashis, and 9 planets, that is grihas, vary from person to person depending on the date, time, and place of birth. To read a North Indian birth chart, we move in anti-clockwise direction. To know more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology classes session 23.